ខ្ញុំបានទៅសៀមរាបខ្ញុំបានអីវ៉ាន់ហើយបានហើយឈប់និយាយ Hi everyone, today let's talk about one very common and useful Khmer word, ban. Ban is a small word, but it has several different meanings depending on how you use it. Let me show you 3 common ways to use it. When you say ban before a verb, it shows that something already happened, like the past tense in English. Example, ខ្ញុំបានទៅសៀមរាបឆ្នាំមុនខ្ញុំបានទៅសៀមរាបឆ្នាំមុន which means I went to Siem Reap last year. Number 2. Another meaning of ban is to receive something like a gift, a message, or money. When someone sends you some stuff and you want to say I received the stuff already, you can say ខ្ញុំបានអីវ៉ាន់ហើយខ្ញុំបានអីវ៉ាន់ហើយ which means I received the stuff already. When someone transfer you money, you can say ខ្ញុំបានលុយហើយ When you want to ask someone did you receive the stuff, you can ask បានអីវ៉ាន់នៅបានអីវ៉ាន់នៅ So if your friend send you the stuff and then ask you did you get it, you can just answer បានហើយ which means receive already. Number 3. បានហើយ which means that's enough. I have had enough. This one is about saying enough in a polite or emotional way. You can use បានហើយ when someone pouring you water or giving you the food. When it's enough, you can say បានហើយ But you also can use it when you are emotionally and mentally tired, like you have had enough of a situation. Example បានហើយខ្ញុំអត់ចង់ស្ដាប់ទៀតទេ That means that enough. I don't want to hear it anymore. Quick recap. Number 1, បាន plus verb. It shows past tense that something already happened. Example ខ្ញុំបានទៅផ្សារម្សិលមិញ I went to market yesterday. Number 2,បាន which means to receive something. Example ខ្ញុំបានលុយហើយ I received the money already. Number 3, បានហើយ which means that enough. Example បានហើយ That's enough. Thank you and don't forget to follow for more simple lessons like this. See you in the next episode.